Power BI build start to finish. We're going to start with a line chart to show hiring trends, and then add in a slicer to filter by years. Next, we'll add our data card to show some insights, hopefully actionable insights. And then we're going to format that and duplicate it for consistency. We'll resize it all, make it look good, and then add in a column chart to show headcount by department. Next, we know you all love a pie, so here she is, showing our gender breakdown in the company. Then we're going to overlay that on a shape with a insight to make it feel like a single asset. We're going to color condition that, so when you click around, it changes color. And then lastly, we're going to add a bar chart for average years of tenure in the business, and we'll add in our gender as the legend there to show the difference. Then it's just some formatting. And lastly, we will add our additional slices. The first one, department, check that it works. And lastly, role. If you like the report, the link's in my bio.